Good morning, dear children. Today let's study some grammar concepts. So I thought of to start with if conditional clause. This if conditional clause you have already studied in 9th standard, and I would like to remind you that this concept is very important in 10th standard also. So today let's study the different conditional clause. There are 3 types of conditional clauses, and one more it is there, that is zero conditional clause. That I will tell you later. So today we will study those 3 conditional clauses which we have studied already in 9th standard. So here it is, the first conditional clause. What is the first conditional clause, children? The possible situations. Like we use the first conditional clause to talk about things in the future that are possible or likely to happen. We use it to think about our actions in specific situations. We use simple present with simple future. So the rule is how to identify the first conditional clause sentences. Simple present and simple future rule is used here. And what it says, children? It says that the things which are possibly going to happen in future. So in those kinds of situations, the first conditional clause is applicable. Let's solve some examples so that it will be very clear for you how the possible situations are there, the situations which are possibly going to happen, going to occur. Okay? So here are the examples. See the first example. If it rains tomorrow, I will take an umbrella. What is the rule, children? The rule is simple present and simple future. You can see here in if clause, simple present is used, and later in main clause, what it is used? It is simple future, will take. You can identify with the colored words. If I study hard, I will pass my English exam. See, this is the possible situation talked about. If I eat lots of fast food, I will get fat. If you lower the price, I will buy it. Some common mistakes which occur while you start framing the sentences in if clause. If you working hard, you will get a promotion. Can you identify how it will you get it correct, children? How you correct this first sentence? This is the wrong sentence actually. If you working hard, you will get a promotion. So what is wrong in if clause? It should become if you work hard, you will get a promotion. Okay? Then in second sentence, children, if you will exercise a lot, you will lose weight. What is wrong here? The words which are wrong is colored in grey. Okay, so you can identify easily. So what the sentence is? The possible correct sentence: if you exercise a lot, you will lose weight. Next, if I miss the bus, I will taking a taxi. If I miss the bus is correct actually. I will take a taxi is correct. If I miss the bus in if clause is correct, but we have to correct in simple future in main clause. Let's solve some more examples in first if conditional clause. Have a look on the first sentence. If you work hard, you will win the prize. Then second sentence, if you listen to me, you will understand what I mean. If she doesn't leave the house, everything will be bad. If you don't go to the school, you will stay at home all day. If you do not win scholarship, your father will be very sad. If I have enough strawberries, I will bake a strawberry cake for you. If it doesn't rain tomorrow, we will go on a picnic. Now here is a task for you. Don't just note down the examples which I am giving you today. You have to make your own examples also. The examples, the possible examples in first, second and third conditional clauses. I hope you have understood how the sentences are framed in first conditional clause. Moving further, this is the second conditional clause. When we use it, we use the second conditional clause to talk about actions in situations that are unlikely or impossible. We use a structure of simple past and plus would. So what is the rule, children, here? Simple past is used. Means in if clause, the verbs will be in V2 form. And in main clause, we are using would. That is modal. So what it tells here, the second conditional clause, it explains that the actions which are going to happen, the actions in situations that are impossible actually, then this second if conditional clause is applicable. Now let's solve the examples. You can see here, have a look on these examples carefully. What is the first sentence? If I won the lottery, I would buy a really nice fast car. What it tells, children? What the second conditional clause explains? Second conditional clause to talk about actions in situations that are impossible, that are unlikely. What it is that? Example, if I won the lottery, I would buy a really nice fast car. Means he has not won the lottery yet. It is impossible. Just as a possible way he is telling. If I won the lottery. If I had two heads, I would wear two hats. It is highly impossible. Okay. If I saw an alien, I would run away really quickly. If I lived in China, I would eat my food with chopsticks. If I put salt in my coffee, it would not taste very good. If I ate 20 hamburgers, my stomach would explode. If I went to the moon, I wouldn't breathe easily. If I didn't practice so much, I wouldn't play the piano very well. Let's solve some more examples of second conditional clause. If she knew the answer, she would win the prize. But she doesn't know the answer. The explanation is very clearly given in the bracket. If he had enough experience for the job, the boss could hire him. But he doesn't. If he had your phone number, if I had your phone number, I would call you. But I don't have your phone number. I hope you are understanding. It is easy for you to understand because explanation is very clearly given in the brackets. If you came to the party, we would have a lot of fun. If I were a rich man, I would buy a home like palace. If I could speak English very well, I would look for a job in foreign companies. If he had time, he would study well for his exam. If it didn't rain, we would go on a picnic. If my house was in the forest, I would walk constantly in the green. Let's proceed, children. This is the third conditional clause. So when it is applicable, actually it is unreal history. We use the third conditional clause to talk at the things that did not actually happen and an alternative version of the past. So what is the rule here? We use past perfect in if clause and in main clause would have plus V3 form. Let's have a look on the examples. If I hadn't eaten so much fast food, I wouldn't have got fat. If I hadn't taken my medicine, I would have felt sick. If the firefighters hadn't got to the house so quickly, it would have burned down. If I hadn't driven through a red light, I wouldn't have got a fine. If I hadn't forgotten my card, I would have withdrawn money from the bank. If I had drunk my coffee faster, it wouldn't have gone cold. If we had played better, we wouldn't have lost the game. See children, what is the rule here? In third conditional clause, these are unreal history. So by seeing these examples, hope you have understood how the rule is applied and actually what explanation these sentences give. Let's have a look on some more examples. If he had talked to me, I would have listened to him. Means what the explanation is given in the bracket, but he didn't talk to me. If it had rained last weekend, we would have stayed at home. But it didn't rain last weekend. If she had saved enough money, she would have bought a new bicycle. But she didn't save enough money. If it had been a huge explosion, so many people couldn't have been affected. But it is a huge explosion, so many people affected. If the student had listened to the teacher carefully, he would have answered the questions easily. If I had guessed the future, I would have taken some precautions against what would happen. If she had found his phone number, she might have called him for the party. This is all about the first, second and third conditional clause, children. I have tried my level best to clear the things. The rest of the thing is left to you. What you have to do, you have to make your own sentences of first, second and third conditional clause. Understood? And if you have any doubt regarding this concept, you can ask me in WhatsApp group. I hope you have understood the concept. See you in the next session. Thank you.